I did purchase the Vette.
Horsepower Hobby.
I know you're probably looking like, what in the world is going on? Well, the reality of it is, went to put the camera down to do a cold start up on the Lambvette for you all, and to my surprise, it will not start. I'm not sure what's going on. Check it out. But before we take a look at the Lambvette, welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. I am Jay, aka Torque, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, do hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button for this video. But yeah, the key is in the ignition, as you can see. So let's try to start this thing. Okay, we got sound now, but nothing, y'all. Nothing. Look, not a thing. I can hear some noises. When you turn the key, it does nothing on the dash. It's like it's not completely dead. Security light is flashing. That's a good thing. What do we do? Let me get rid of this annoying noise first of all. But not sure. Keep having an issue on this Lambvette with the batteries dying. I'm not sure if it's the battery. Did I just say battery? I'm not sure if it's the battery itself on the Lambvette that's just not holding charge, or if something in this car is actually killing the battery. So it seemed to have had power over the last couple of days. Just not sure what's going on. And I thought it would be the perfect day to come out and drive this beast, because as you can see, I mean, it's still rainy looking. It actually rained all last night. As you can see down at the bottom there, the water's just all pooled up. But it may not be a good day to drive it because the thing won't start. I don't want to get anywhere and get stranded. Well, then again, it seems to hold charge for a little while once you get it started. So I was really excited about driving it. I gotta make a decision really fast. Do I want to drive it? Do I not? Drop a comment down in the section below. Should I drive this thing today? And also drop a comment to let me know what you guys think it may be. What do you think is killing the battery repeatedly? Man, just look at the door up in the air, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna drive this thing today. Door's locked. What a fail. This thing's so dead it won't even let me lock and unlock the doors. Wow. We gotta get some juice to this thing ASAP. After manually unlocking the doors, y'all, the Lambo doors have come alive. Man, that looks so amazing. Yeah, I think I'm driving this today. Just look at it. Let's hurry up and charge this battery up. And just look how sick it looks with the doors up. Yeah, that's amazing. I love that. Okay, guys, so I think it is more than just a simple charge up the battery and go. So switch is on right now, but watch what happens when I turn the switch off. Switch is off. Key is out. It's not doing it now. Huh. So just a few moments ago, the thing was dinging. It's almost as if I have the keys in it. So I'm not sure. I think I have an issue with this switch. I noticed ever since the locksmith tried to program that last key, the last time I took it, he actually stuck the key inside of the switch here, the one that would not work. I believe it was too long. And when he pulled it out, the thing kept like, it would actually deprogram the keys, so the keys wouldn't start, so he had to keep reprogramming my original key. And so ever since then, I've been having an issue, I believe, out of this switch. And a few moments ago, every time I would turn the switch on, pull it out, it would make that whatever noise, however you can do the noise. Some of y'all are pretty, I guess, good with voices and sounds. You know what the noise is. But that noise, that chiming noise, it kept making that noise even with the key out and all the doors closed. So that may be the issue. It may be just as simple as when I pull the key out, not realizing it. Of course, it's going to beep because the door is open, but not realizing once I walk away and close the door and lock everything up, the thing is still chiming and it's killing the battery. So I believe that may be the issue. It may just be as simple as trying to figure this switch out and maybe switching it out. So that's something to look forward to in the very near future. But unfortunately, guys, this nice weather that's trying to make its way, is that blue skies? Oh wow, that is blue skies trying to peep through. So unfortunately, guys, this nice, oh wow, look at the sun trying to peer through. Oh yeah, I believe it's going to be a nice one today, and it is supposed to be nice tomorrow. Unfortunately, I will not be able to enjoy that right now in the Lambvette. Maybe we have better luck pretty soon. So since I have failed you all with one cold startup, I'm going to give you two for the price of one. Here we go. This is the Hell Keezy. Uh-oh, get ready. Do you hear it? This thing sounds sick. Do y'all hear the way this thing sounds? Can you even hear me? I mean, this is pretty loud. Wow. Gotta get way over here. I believe you can hear me now, but like I was saying, that's pretty sick, yeah. So I believe this thing opens up with the valves open on the exhaust. That is sick. That's massive. I'm pretty sure the neighbors are mad at me. So while that's doing its thing, let's fire up the Cummins. There you go, guys. The two cold startups as promised. Still can't get over how loud the Hell Keezy is. That's my first time actually doing a cold startup, like standing that close to it since we got the exhaust done. That is sick. So, but don't get me wrong, I started it up some, but none like that. None on an official cold starter. See, it is quieted down a lot since it has warmed up. But man, yeah, I'm pretty sure the neighbors get mad at me every time I fire this thing up. I just got to rev on it just one time. Remote start active. Push the button. Here we go, yeah. Just let everything do its thing. Still slightly cold, so we won't do much, but wow. I better quit it before they try to put me out of the neighborhood, yeah. So yeah, hopefully in the next couple of days we'll be able to get the oil changed in the Hell Keezy, and I'll start back driving it a little bit more once we get the oil changed. It's just right now it's saying that the oil needs to be serviced, and I mean, look at it. Wouldn't want to hurt anything there, so we're going to make sure that we get this oil changed, and I'm actually going to do it myself. I'm not going to say that I don't trust anybody to do it, but I want to make sure that it's done right. But let's take a look under the hood. And for those that haven't seen the interior inside of a Hell Keezy, there you go. Oh yeah. Here we go. That water kind of pouring everywhere because of the rain, but there's the supercharger pulley, guys. Supercharger up underneath the intake right here. So intake, supercharger. So yeah, the plan is to change out all these pulleys to go with the smaller pulley system to make 1,000 horsepower, baby. It's coming soon. Can't say when exactly now, but it is coming. But like I said, I got to change this oil because this oil is very much due, and we would not want to hurt this engine. Because to be honest, I don't know exactly what one of these engines costs. I'm gonna try to look it up and maybe put the price down in the bottom, but I'm pretty sure I don't want to pay for it right now. I just want to be able to change the oil. Pretty sure it's much cheaper to do that than to replace this engine. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on YouTube, and also check me out on Instagram. So as you can tell by the one that's still running there, we're all hopping in the Cummins again today. So like I said, they're all fun to drive, but 760 horsepower diesel truck, got to be fun. Let's hop on in. I may have chosen the wrong shoes to wear today. I like these shoes, don't get me wrong. But the white bottoms have me feeling kind of skeptical because it's hard to keep the white bottoms clean. I mean, they look amazing, but once again, it's hard to keep them clean. Let's hop on in the Cummins and let's get going. Bully Dog. What? The Bully Dog GT. Loading up the gauges, y'all. Let's loading up the gauges. Loading up the boost. It's got it all coming. Alright, I think we're ready. Yes, there is a racing seat, a racing baby seat in the back, y'all. You You gotta prepare the babies young, man. They gotta know from the time that they start getting in something fast, it's safety first. So we gotta make sure that she's strapped in a racing seat. And every once in a while she puts on the helmet that's in the bag. And this weather is like tricky. I mean, it's beautiful as you can see. Got the sun peeking out, but then it's cloudy. It's the perfect temp. I mean, this is just crazy. So makes you want to blast the AC. But I do think I would have enjoyed it a little bit more with the top down in the Corvette. Yeah, we got to get that problem fixed ASAP. I do believe it is an ignition problem though, and I need to call the dealership to see if I can price an ignition and to see if it's something that I can take out and program myself. I would prefer to do it that way as long as I got the time to do it, but really need to check on that. And we're missing out on all this beautiful weather, man. Wow. When the boost kick in, yeah. Green means go. No trash. Man, this thing sounds so good. It just sounds so amazing. I just love it when the turbo just kind of comes back down, when it kind of blows off, I guess. It doesn't really make like a big huge blow off noise. It just, I don't know, it's different. Now it will blow off in the airbox. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It does it every once in a while. Let's see if we can make it do it. There it went. Only problem about making it blow off in the box, I can really feel it like doing something to the transmission. It's like the transmission is slipping. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, I enjoy the blow off noise in the box, but messing up the transmission, nah, it ain't worth it. Yep, I mean, we are gonna have to get this transmission redone anyway, but I don't want any problems right now.